There's so many ways you can enjoy your chapati. So today I want to show you a very interesting and very delicious way of enjoying your chapati. So I've just done my chapati on the pan and I'm adding some sauteed beef. And then you add some onions, some tomatoes, and then some lettuce. Oh, this is going to be really delicious. And then lastly, add some cheese, as much as you wish. Fold it slightly and then using a greaseproof paper, wrap it nicely. And then we're going to put it in a hot press. Voila, done. So we're going to unwrap our chapati. Oh, look at that melted cheese. That looks lovely. Can't wait to have that. And then lastly, we're gonna wrap it in like a burrito in a foil. Yummy. Enjoy.